Okay, part 3, we've gotten the polish, we've gotten the satin polish, we polished the handle, and now we're going to go ahead and we're going to put the final edge on. This is a fresh 120 grit belt, and then we'll go to the 240, the 600, and do the final edge. I am on the convex. Hopefully you can see the burr coming up. There's the burr right there. And then we'll go ahead, we'll come over here. And we're going to satin polish. We already satin polished, but this will just make sure to remove any of the scratch marks, especially down in here. There we go. And then we'll come right over here. And then we're just going to remove that burr. And here goes the burr coming off right there. And then we'll come right over here to the wheel. Angle match, press in with a decent amount of pressure. Recurves, edge trailing, always easy. Let's go ahead and get a nice fresh clean piece of paper. And I can't hold it with my fingers. My fingers aren't holding it right. There we go. All right, you guys. That's a resto for this kukiri. Get this cleaned up and we're good to go. Aloha everyone, have a great day. Bye.